What's up, YouTube, and welcome to this episode of Just Cause, and this is just me, Hatters, from Base Flankers, and Flankers, sorry, and yeah, this just fuck around, so please enjoy. Oh no, okay, did it. Let's take a pill silver boat, and this is on the server Nerdcube. The server Nerdcube is really good to just fuck around, and yeah, you can take unlimited items, planes, boats, cars, what they called it here, ventilize, and no, what the fuck, you can take unlimited, you got unlimited items, weapons, and you can also just take your model you want. Oh no, why the hell I all time just jump out of the plane? I just go to the strip club, yay! And the Eclipse, I love the Eclipse because the minigun is tank. Oh! Okay, I just teleport. MHC. No. TPMHC. Yeah. Here we go. Dubstep mode activated. Yay! Let's kill some people. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No. I'm stuck. No, I'm not stuck. Let's jump out. Oh, no. Oh shit. Something raid this strip club. Let's get. We are on the happy fire. No. No! It's him. No. Let's get a bazooka. Model weapon. No. Rocket launcher. TPMHC, and I will get my revenge. Dubstep mode activated. No! Look at that! No! Okay, that was so funny. Where is she? Where is he? Where he's going? Where's go? Sorry. Oh, there! Let's kill that bitch! Die! No! What the heck he's doing? Okay, let's TPMHC. Just look at that. Okay, we need to do that again. TPMHC. Mini goal balls activated. Oh my god, I got a rocket launcher, dick. Look at that. Whee! Minigun. It's like he's on a little bit. Okay, what the heck? I got a minigun out of my breast. I'm a transformer. Do-do-do-do-dun. Okay, let's take a eclipse. I can do it. I can do it. Ah. Hey. Okay, let's smash him on the strip club with an eclipse. G9 eclipse. Okay. No. Where is he? Okay, now he's going to die. Oh shit! What the hell I'm doing? Okay, where is it? Okay, let's fly straight down. Okay, I can see the strip club now. Let's smash him! No! I'm at him! Hit him! No! Okay, come on! Straight up! Ah! Damn it. Okay, let's try one more time. Oh my god, man. Let's do this. Come on. Eclipse. Okay, where is he? He's down there. Okay. No. Come on. Yeah, come on. Let's fly straight up and smash him. Ah, come on. Yes, I got him. No. Okay, he's also got an eclipse. Straight into the strip club with an eclipse. No. Okay, now we're gonna smash him. And yeah, this is going to be the last epic moment for this episode. So yeah, let's do this. Down. Die. No! Oh! God damn it. I'm not going to kill him, but thank you guys for watching this video. Remember, subscribe our channel, like, comment, all that shit, and I see you in the next video. Bye.